Hi, I'm Aki from Yanko Design, and I am here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. I am thrilled to be at Bluetti booth. Joining me is Phillip, the Director of Power Station. Phillip, thank you for taking time to chat with us today.
Oh, it's an honor. Thank you for coming by our booth.
To kick off, for those who might not know about portable power system and Bluetti, could you give us a brief overview of Bluetti?
Yeah, sure. So Bluetti's been around since 2019. We're a leader in the portable power station space. We recently started expanding our product offering, and we make great batteries and great power storage solutions.
Yeah, fantastic. So this is not your first time, Bluetti's first time at CES. In fact, we had a pleasure of meeting you last year, but you guys seem to be expanding its presence even more this year. So could you share exciting developments that has been taking place in the past year?
Yeah, absolutely. It seems like every year we're just doing better than the last. It's very exciting. So this year at CES, we're coming out with 3 new products. Two of them are coming together as a combo pack, and I think we're going to talk more about them in a minute.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
But before we dive into that, power station seems to be gaining popularity. Are you seeing any specific trend in power station space?
Yeah, there's a lot of things, right? Cutting edge. A lot of people talk about solar states and GaN charging and things like that. Those are probably a little farther out in the future. But what we're doing here at Bluetti, I think, is really interesting and exciting. Is we're starting to integrate swappable batteries into our power stations and other products to power other products for everybody on the go, camping and things of that sort.
Yeah, now you gave us a little sneak peek of.
I did.
Yes. Well, now let's dive into the exciting new product that you announced at CES 2024.
Okay, great. Yeah. So a couple things that we've done. One of the most exciting things is right behind us here. It's this unit, and this are expandable battery packs. It's the AC240. It's our first rated IP65, which basically means it's weather resistant. It's dust proof and can stand up to low pressure jets of water. Great for the outdoors if you want to go take it to the beach, or it's a little bit rainy weather. This thing will do it no problem.
Okay. And could you also tell me more about 3-in-1 multi-cooler?
Yeah, so that's the second thing we're doing. We call it our Swap Solar. It's an Indiegogo campaign that we're doing February 21st. It's a 3-in-1 multi-cooler, so it's a refrigerator or a freezer. The lowest temperature setting is -4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
And it also has an ice maker in it, which is really cool, pun intended.
Yes, that's really cool. So both AC240 and multi-cooler are portable, and it's for on-the-go sort of outdoor enthusiast product. Are consumers increasingly seeking portable power station solution?
Yeah, I think, more people have gotten outdoors, especially that time, the COVID time where there was nothing else you could do.
Yeah.
And I think people really like the experience. And I see a lot of people going more outdoors, but energy is a necessity now. And so what we're doing here at Bluetti is we're trying to take those conveniences you find in the home, like power and ice, and then bring them outdoors so people can enjoy their comfortable life on the go wherever they run.
Awesome. But now, what about for those folks who don't identify themselves as outdoor enthusiasts? What would you say to someone who might say, I'm not an outdoor person, I don't need this power station?
That's a great question, Aki. So one of the fastest growing segments that we're offering is backup or emergency power storage. So if the lights go out for whatever reason, you'll still need electricity to power your devices. And this is also a great solution to that as well.
So power station is of course great for outdoor use, but the utility expands far beyond. And so if you're looking for a backup system at home or you simply want to rely less on grids, power stations are a great and essential tool for variety of lifestyle.
Absolutely, and you never know what the future is going to hold, and you want to be
Yeah.
ready for any kind of moment, right?
Oh yeah,
And-
absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Bluetti has been, like you say, around in power station space quite some time, and you've been a prominent player. What sets Bluetti apart from others in the market?
That's a great question. So one thing that we do really well is our inverter technology. So we can power hungry devices like a heater or induction stovetop, a portable induction stovetop, or even a cappuccino machine, a coffee maker, things like that. So that's one of the things that we do. Also our bidirectional, so you can charge it and discharge at the same time and use it as a uninterrupted power supply. So if you have a home office and the power goes out, if you have your router, your computer connected to it, you can still work away. You don't lose any of that work.
That's awesome. Considering a wide range of product that Bluetti provide or offer, from smaller system with a 400 to 500 price point to extreme system with two-stage inverters and multiple batteries, how should consumer go about choosing the best power solution setup that suits their needs?
Yeah, so I would think about what are you trying to power,
Okay.
right? If you're just trying to power a laptop or something, a small DC device, you don't really need that much power.
Right.
However, if you wanted to power an air conditioning, you need a lot of power.
Oh yeah.
So it really depends on your needs. One thing that we do here at Bluetti is we offer expandable power stations. So if you bought this one and it didn't have enough power capacity to get you through the night or whatever you were doing, you could buy battery systems extra and hook that up to this one. And that way you can kind of expand as you need it, right? And so you don't need to have it perfect the first time around. Also, we offer great technical support. So if you want to call our call center, we'll help you with that purchase decision.
Okay, great. So we don't need to have everything figured out at the first, and we can still talk to your technicians and get idea of what is the power solution that I need.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. And finally, I'm curious to learn more about the new Lighting an African Family mission that was just announced. Could you tell us a brief overview of this new initiative?
Yeah, so it's called our LAF program, LAAF, Lighting an African Family. It's something very near and dear to our owner's heart. He talks about it all the time. And so the mission is to bring low-cost, DC-only power to families in Africa. One of the challenges they face is if you live in a rural village, the cell phone network is good. They do banking over the cell phones and everything like that, but they'll have to spend a half a day traveling to the next town to get power. So by having DC power at their house, it saves them time. And that's one of the greatest gifts we can give to somebody is time. And that also allows them to have lighting in the dark. So when their kids, they don't have to study by candlelight. And so that's the second greatest gift, right, is an education. And so not only is it empowering people, it's also powering their home.
Yes, it's empowering their life and maybe challenging power-wise environment.
Right, and so our goal is to give these away to the people in need. We've given over 1,000 away, and we have plans to give many, many, many more.
Okay, that's truly inspiring, Phillip.
Yeah, we'd like to give back to the community. The community has been so kind to us, and we're just honored to do that and be able to do that.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your insights and update with us today. It's been a pleasure learning more about Bluetti's portable power station solution.
Yeah, you're welcome back next year, and it was great talking with you as well.
Great, thank you so much. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.